focus on the abdomen. Try not to disturb the specimen yet.
Copy that. Moving to the thorax.
Hand me the container, please.
Here you go. The beetles seem localized to the dorsal area.
Notice some movement near the tail earlier. Let's check there too.
We need to clear these parasites quickly before hypothermia sets in.
Pass me the forceps, please.
Breathing is steady but shallow.
Easy now, we're almost done.
You're doing so well.
The infestation is severe.
Get the blanket around her now.
Stretcher is ready, let's move.
You're all right, little guy. We've got you.
Looks like the infestation is localized.
Let's get him warm in the carrier.
Temp is stable at 32 Celsius. Vitals look good on the monitor. Ready for the blanket wrap. Look how fluffy he is. He seems completely unharmed.
Let's get him warmed up in the carrier.